3 months. It took me 3 months to get monetized on YouTube. And what I want to do in this video is show you exactly how I was able to do it. So just to give you a timeline, the first video that I uploaded to my channel was September 30th, 2019. So what I'm telling you and what I've done is recent. And I think that's important because there are people out there that are telling you how to monetize a YouTube channel when they've already been monetized for like 5 to 10 years. Well, maybe not 10 years, but anyway, you know what I'm saying. I mean, I had an old channel that was monetized, but that was before you needed the requirements. So what I want to do on this channel is show you exactly what I did. And now keep in mind, this other channel that I was able to get monetized so quickly is the type of channel. It's not a branded channel. It's a niche specific channel where I create videos. I don't show my face at all. And I simply do voiceovers. So again, I'll go into specifics. If you guys want to know exactly how I do all that, I can definitely do that in future videos. But my goal is for this channel to show you how I was able to do that so quickly. Because once I was able to do this, people have been messaging me like crazy, learning how, knowing, they want to know what I've done. So that's what I want to do on this channel. So if you're interested in all that stuff, definitely subscribe. So what I want to do is give you a timeline of how everything happened. And so September 30th, 2019, I uploaded my first video. Now this video took off, meaning I believe I got, I don't know, like 10,000 views in the first 10 days. In fact, I created a video on that. If you want to learn how I did that, click on the link. I'll link it in the description below. So this video got 10,000 views in 10 days. Now, the reason for that is, well, there's a lot of reasons, but I knew that kind of content was missing from YouTube, and I wanted to be the first person to create that content. So that helped. But anyway, let's get back to monetization. So September 30th, 2019, uploaded my first video on this channel. December 30th, sorry, I'm looking at my notes. December 31st is when I went into monetization, or it went into monetization review. So as you probably know, you need 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 watch hours in order to be in monetization review. And again, there are tricks for everything. There's not only tricks on growth, but there are tricks on how to actually get through the review process. So there's a lot of stuff that goes into it. I mean, it's easy, but just make sure that you watch all of my videos because I literally am going to be outlining exactly what I've done to be able to do this so quickly. So December 31st, I went into monetization review. January 2nd, I was actually approved for monetization. Now, unlike everyone else, I did not get an email, which is so weird. And if it wasn't for my daughter asking, hey, are you monetized yet? I probably wouldn't have even checked my channel because I was too consumed on checking my email to see if I got the email. So anyway, so that's just a tidbit. When you are in review, make sure you keep checking your channel. You may not get an email because I didn't. But anyway, so January 2nd, I was approved. Do you want to know what I made the first day that I was monetized? I made $3.55. After 8 days of being monetized, I earned $114.88. And oh my gosh, there's just so much I want to tell you. And that is, number one, people always ask me, do your videos have to be over 10 minutes long? Because if your video's over 10 minutes long, then you can put more ads on your videos. I'll be honest with you, I think I only have maybe 40 videos on my channel as of now. But as of being monetized, I probably had like 25 videos. 2 of my videos were over 10 minutes long, and those videos performed the worst for me. Most of my videos are 3 to 5 minutes long. And that just seems to work for me. And, people always say, well, you have to do longer videos because get the watch time up and all that stuff. And yeah, I agree. But if you don't want to make 10-minute videos, or maybe you don't have time to make 10-minute videos, you don't need to make 10-minute videos. As long as you just keep pumping out content. Now, I think what helped me to get to my 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours is there was a period of 2 weeks that I didn't post any videos. I guess average I post 2 to 3 times a week. There was a period of 2 weeks before I was monetized and I didn't post at all. And obviously, if you're not going to post, then how are you going to get the subs? How are you going to get the watch hours, right? So Thanksgiving came, I had 4 days off from work, and I said, you know what? I really want to be monetized by the end of the year. What would happen if I posted Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday? If I post one video every day, I wonder what's going to happen. Of course, the obvious happens. My channel went through the roof. So, along with my shorter videos, I guess you could say that I am posting more. I think now, I'm posting close to 4 to 5 videos a week, just because I think that helps. Every channel is different. So you just have to do what's best for your channel and not necessarily listen to everyone else out there, because again, what works for me may not work for you, vice versa, all that good stuff. But here's one thing that does work, because I have people asking me, I look at people's channels, they want me to give advice. And the number one advice that I give to people is make sure, especially in the beginning, that your channel is so niche specific. And let me just give you an example. Let me just go back. One thing, let me just start over. Okay, so number one, pick a topic you're actually interested in. Because the topic that I picked is something I was already interested in, or something I was already doing research in. Because if you pick a topic that you really don't care about, are you really going to want to create a video for that topic every single day? Probably not. And again, if you want to do this for the long term, you have to pick something that you're actually interested in. So number 2 is be specific in your niche. And when people come across my channel, they watch my videos, then they see the name of the channel, then they see the banner on my channel. They know exactly the exact kind of videos that I'm going to create. Therefore, it's much easier for them to make the decision to subscribe, as opposed to, let me just give you an example. So say you have a health and wellness channel. I've seen this so many times in the past week. Health and wellness channel. I'll take a look at the channel, and there are videos on weight loss, anxiety, skin issues, joint pain, you name it. There's videos about everything. And if you ask me, my opinion, focus on one niche at a time. For example, maybe you only want to focus on weight loss. Because if a person comes to your channel, they want to learn about weight loss, but then they're seeing all these other videos, they may not want to subscribe because they don't care about anything else. So they will then go find someone that is creating videos on that specific topic. And I think that that's really important, because I think you do. I mean, you build credibility. It's easier to build a customer base when your customer knows what kind of content you're going to create. And I think that is a huge reason why I absolutely exploded my channel so quickly. And so, yeah, if you have any questions, definitely leave them below. I will make a future video on this topic. And my next video, definitely subscribe, because my next video, I'm going to talk about what every YouTuber does on their channel, my first YouTube paycheck. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.